Did you know a killer once turned a peaceful picnic into a calculated experiment in terror? On September 27, 1969, Brian Hartnell and Cecelia Shepard were enjoying a quiet afternoon at Lake Berryessa. Then a hooded figure emerged from the trees, wearing a black executioner's costume with a white circle and cross symbol. He spoke calmly, almost politely, as he tied them up with a rope. "I'm going to have to stab you people," he announced, like he was discussing the weather. The Zodiac Killer then attacked them both with surgical precision, each stab deliberate and controlled. Brian survived 24 wounds, providing investigators with crucial details about the killer's voice and strange costume. After the attack, Zodiac casually walked to their car and carved a symbol into the door. He left Brian alive on purpose, wanting a witness to spread fear. Cecelia fought for 2 days before dying from her injuries. The case remains unsolved, a chilling reminder of evil hiding behind calculated calm.